Hey, you eating my fruit ice blocks?
Yeah. They're not yours. They're ours.
Boy, you're enjoying so much. We better find out how to make them. Fruit ice blocks are the best. Kids love them all year round. And I got a fantastic recipe you can do with your family, and all of you together have a lot of fun. What we're trying to do is almost recreate a lovely slice of a watermelon. We're gonna have the red stuff, we're gonna get the green shape in an amazing fruit ice block. The first step is to get the watermelon and a couple of spoons of sugar syrup and process them until it's smooth. Fill up the glass 3/4 full, so it's plenty of space for the kiwi mixture. Now, you know when you have watermelon, you got the pips?
Yeah.
How we can recreate the pips?
Chocolate.
Oh, it's got the chocolate chips involved. Sprinkle delicious choc chips into the glass and mix it around so all the choc chips fall to the bottom. And you always eat one, make sure the chocolate is good. Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, so now is the green part. Grab some kiwi fruit, process in the blender with another couple of tablespoons of sugar syrup. Nice! Fill up the cup all the way to the top so you get that lovely layering. To get the stick nice standing, we're gonna use a little bit of foil, do a little incision in the middle and put the stick inside. This way, it won't fall to the side. There you go, hold it. Bravo. And from there, all the way to the freezer. Have you finished that one already?
Can we try another flavor?
Go for it. You can do a slightly different version using yogurt and berries. Put them together in the food processor, put them in the cup, and whack them in the freezer. For more amazing recipes like this, check out our A to Z of Mmmm in our website. Hey, you gonna leave me one or what?